There are still pilots out there that will have a chance, but that will change fast. This quote is from someone deep inside the military aviation world. So what he's saying is that while human fighter pilots are still capable and have a role for now, that window is closing quickly because AI is advancing so fast. In other words, AI will soon outperform even the best human pilots, and those pilots who still have a chance, but not for much longer. It's a warning that the era of manned air dominance is ending, and AI is about to take over. For decades, being a top fighter pilot meant sharp reflexes, elite training, and nerves of steel. But now, that might not be enough anymore. Why? Because AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't black out under G-force. And it makes split-second decisions faster than any human ever could. In fact, some AI systems can process thousands of data points per second, identifying threats, predicting maneuvers, and optimizing counterattacks in real time. Now let's talk about Peter Nielsen, who leads advanced programs at Saab. He says the AI-powered Gripen E shows just how quickly fighter jets can leap forward in capability. Not just upgrades, this is next-gen transformation. Gripen E's AI can autonomously manage electronic warfare, threat prioritization, and even radar jamming, freeing up the pilot, or potentially replacing one altogether. And yes, believe it or not, America's already in the game. The U.S. Air Force has been testing AI-controlled F-16s. Last year, Air Force Secretary Frank Kendall even flew in one. That's not a test dummy move. That's real trust in the tech. Meanwhile, China and Russia are also working hard. China's Loyal Wingman project pairs AI drones with human-piloted fighters. Russia is integrating AI into its Su-57 jets. Now circling back to our main focus, the Gripen E's AI system. The company behind this breakthrough? Helsing. It's a Germany-based defense AI company, but they're partnering closely with Saab in Sweden for this integration. Founded in 2021, Helsing is already worth about $12 billion. Now here's what's really interesting. The test flights of the AI agent named Centaur were done in actual production Gripen E aircraft, not experimental prototypes. And yes, they were flown in civilian airspace. But let's clear something up. These weren't unmanned flights. A human pilot was on board the Gripen E the whole time. Once the pilot switched on the AI, Centaur took full control of the aircraft, flying, maneuvering, processing data, and even simulating air combat. But at any moment, the pilot could take back control. So this was more like human on standby, AI in charge. Forget flying cars. Who imagined an AI would be flying a combat jet before any of that? Imagine a battlefield where hundreds of AI-powered aircraft operate in swarms, communicating instantly, reacting faster than enemies can respond. But yeah, this also raises some tough questions. Ethics, trust, accountability, and what happens if the AI is hacked or fails in a split-second combat scenario? So what do you think? Will AI dominate the skies, or will we always need that human touch in combat? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.